So, greeting to the examiner. I am making this video for the proctor who will examine my project for the front-end skill test 2. So, this is the main section of my project. The project title is the Mail app. So, as we can see, if we type with single letter, we get the result. To mention that we are using the MailDB as a API to fetch data from it. So, as we can see here, there is add to favorite button. Yeah, after clicking that add to favorite button, that will get added to here, and to signify that this particular wheel is present in the favorite button already, we have given that red gradient to it. As even not only single letter, we can type complete to complete letter name of that recipe too, and we will get result like this. In favorite section, we can remove from here too, or we can remove from here too. There are multiple ways we can use that. So another thing to note that is we are there is a detail section, as we can see here. So clicking on detail will show the detail name, category, area, and instruction about that detail, and clicking on it will open the YouTube video about that how to make that particular recipe. Now let's move toward the responsibility of that project. So this project is completely responsive. As we can see, iPhone 12, it will look something like this, and this will the our section look in that. So now let's move toward the heart of our project, which is the code of it. So this is the HTML code to start with. To be honest, it is very simple, so we will just skip over it. This is very basic code for the divs and etc. So now we are using Bootstrap to make that hamburger menu type. So this menu, for that we are using Bootstrap to make it. It makes very simple to make it. So this is the style section. It is again, it is very easy to understand. Anyone with basic programming will know it. So this is now let's we are imported the fonts from Google, and another. So this is the heart of your project, which is JavaScript. So let's understand it. So this is the show build function. The thing about this function is that this function get called every time the the key up event happen in the HTML page. So there is yeah. So every time the key up event happens, this function get called from there. So even after typing the single letter, we get updated result like that. After happening, it gets called and it showed the updated result. And this function uses the fetch mail API from this. It returns the meals array. After it transfers the array to mark it as favorite or not. If it is favorite, we get a particular style which is remove from favorite button will show up on which is already in favorite section or etc. And we will get a red type of gradient which I have added here. So this is background linear gradient I have added. So this is the gradient we'll get after adding to favorite. And now let's move toward another section, which is the this is for non-favorite section already. I have mentioned add to favorite button will be shown. This is the favorite button. This is happen. This will shown when there is user type some wrong inputs like this. It will be shown image from there. So now let's quickly move toward the section where after clicking the detail button, it will show the detail of the project. This is the basic structure of it. And now let's to move to favorite body section. This when the array length is 0, when basically the favorite list is empty, it will show the basic 404 error. And after clicking that favorite section, it will if it is not empty, it will show the all the list of pattern present on it, on the favorite list section, as we can see here. So this is the section. And moving to the last but not the least function, which is the remove from favorite list. After clicking on add or remove from favorite list icon from the here type, that function will get called, and it will execute that function. So this is the code for that. And thank you.